Well, another day, another adventure. I'm gonna do a little crabbing. It's 10:23 right now. As you can see, there's nobody at the crabbing dock here in Brookings. Yeah, it is raining, but you know it's dry on my truck, so I'm gonna go set this crab trap. I'm only gonna set one up real quick, and I'll show you how the Brookings people do it here. So, and I'll throw it from right there, and then wait about 20-30 minutes, see if we catch a crab. Here we go. Here we are. Like I said, raining. There's a crab boat right there. I could go buy crab, but what's so fun about that? Here's the trap. See, it's not that big. Fits 3 or 4. Everybody uses chicken around here. I like fish, but yeah, if you do that, the seals will eat it. So I'm gonna try to do this all with one hand here. So we'll see how it does. So we just put the chicken in there like that. Oops, sorry. Like that, and then we just close this off. And all we're trying to make sure is the chicken. I got to use both hands, so both hands like that. So as you see, I got plenty of string in there. I like leaving it right there. One thing we've got to make sure on this trap. Let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller. There we go. You gotta just act like if it's in the water, it drops and it does that. So that means that trap's ready to go. So we're gonna grab it. I usually do this with 2 hands, so I'm gonna hang onto the phone here best I can. Wind's killing me today, but here we go. We're gonna throw it as far as you can. There we go. And as you can see, all the string went out. That's why they use these little ones, so I will tie it off here. Then we'll go from there. Wait about 20 minutes and we'll see what kind of fish or crab we catch. All right, here we go. I just got out of the truck. It's raining, so I'm not staying outside this whole time. I pulled that one up a minute ago, but my video really sucked. So here we go. We're gonna try this again here. Get on the edge here. This is all, trying to do this all with a phone is kind of hard. So here we go. Untie this. My last one, my last net got caught up, so I didn't give me catch anything. So here we go. As you can see, this whole not having a rack is not good. So I'm going to pull this up. This one's a lot heavier. I bet you I have a couple or 2 in here. Probably nothing legal, but we'll see. I got one. Let's see what it looks like. Yep. One little one. Nothing legal, so we're going to let him go right down here, and we're going to throw this net again. We'll see what we can do. Here we go. That was a good cast. Let that sit for a second. I'm going to shut this off and we'll try it again here in a minute. As you can see, if I fail, I can just go over there and grab some crab. Ocean looks a little mean today. Here we go. Well, sometimes my great ideas of crabbing in good cold weather and rain is not that great. So I'm gonna go check my traps one more time. If I don't have any big ones, I think I'm gonna call it a day. So here, move this down and zoom out. Gotta bring my coffee cup with me because that's what holds the camera. Here we go. We'll pull this one first. Get this all set up here. Let's see what we can do. This. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, feels a little heavy. I'm gonna come in a little slow. My other line's kind of crossed, so we'll see where we're at here. Oh, I gotta go this way. I got a lot of crab in this one. Oh, got some fallers. Let's see what we got here. Woo, look at that. Look at that. That one might be legal. So we're gonna grab this upside down, leave him here. Let these go. I'll grab this real quick. We'll grab these guys, just throw them over the bank here. I'm going to pause this and get my measuring stick. Alright, I'm back with you. Here's my measuring stick. This is going to be really hard to measure, but we're going to try. Actually, it needs to be between here and here. I'm going to use 2 hands for this. Let's see if I can do this. And this one is a legal crab. As you can see, it fits. So here we go. I'm gonna go put him away here. All right, here we go. We're gonna pull my second trap here. We'll see what we have. Ooh, feels heavy. Ooh, it's heavy. I get one more keeper, I'm done. I only need 2 keepers. So let's see what happens here. Oh, yeah. Let's see, huh? Got some crab. Ooh. I don't know. I got crab coming everywhere now. Off here. As you can see, they're all there. A lot of them, but no keepers. So get these guys off, let them all come back. Got one more left. Well, I'm going to pause this, let him off. So here we go. We'll be checking here in a couple more minutes. Alright, this is the last time I'm pulling both my traps now, putting away. I got one crab. I hope I get another one. Just gonna decide if I don't get another one, if I'm gonna keep it or not. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, we're gonna have some surf and turf, so I'm gonna pull this one first. I pulled the other one a minute ago and it didn't have anything, so here we go. Gotta get it angled just right where my phone doesn't fall. So I'll pull this one and I'll put this away, then I'll film the other one. I think I got some, but they're all small, I think, so. As you see, they're all little guys. So let them go. You always got that one that doesn't want to fall. I'll throw it down. I'm gonna shut the phone off here for a minute and put this one away. I just put my other crab trap away. I'm gonna take this one, put it here, and this will be the last one of the day. It's really starting to rain. I mean, I know it's Brookings and got to be ready for the rain, but It's like 35 degrees or so. And it's about 38, 40 right now. It's cold, so here we go. Let's see how this works out. We're heavy. I just hope they're not all little ones like last time. Maybe I got one more. Ooh. This is probably the biggest crab net I've ever had doing this. I got 3 riders. Yep. All smalls. So I'm gonna let them back. And I'll put these away, and I will take this crab home later tonight, cook it, and we'll soon go from there. Yeah, see? Wind's getting me too now, so I will talk to you guys later. I'll get dry, and we'll cook some crab tonight. As you can see, it's beautiful here. Woohoo! We'll talk to you next time.